Everyone, good morning. I hope you must be doing well and you must be sleeping by this time because let me show you the time. It's it's 4 a.m. in the morning and I woke up before 4 a.m. and after that, after getting up, then I washed my face and then I was reading that book and this book is written by Sudha Murthy ji. As we already know, her books are really very fascinating. So I don't know why I really fell in love with that book because it's kind of a story, and I think now I have found my interest only in storybooks. I don't know why. Whenever I read storybooks, then I feel like reading it more and more and more and more and more and more. And this book is the name of this book is Gently Falls the Bakula. Okay, and this book is all about what is more important, a successful career or a happy marriage. Okay, and a husband and a wife, a husband whose name is Shrikant and a wife whose name is Srimati, and how both of them they have managed in their to get married first of all, and then later on after getting married to run their happy married life. So this book is really very uh, easy for you to understand, so if you want then you can get. And today I read only two chapters, like 16 and 15th so far, because now it's 4 a.m. and unfortunately the motor is not working, so now I will have to go to the hand pump to get water. And I'm wearing suit salwar, so therefore I prefer to go and fetch water early in the morning because I don't go outside wearing this suit salwar. So now I will have to go and fetch some water. So let's go and get some water because still there are so many works to do. I have to have shower my for my husband just to get fresh and to do the dishes. For doing all the household chores, we need only water. Without water, we can't imagine our life. We need water at each and every point of our life. So don't waste water. Water is really very crucial part of our life. So keep saving water. Oh my god. Light went off and I'm going to get water with these two buckets and this one water cooler and that one tub, and I will get water from the hand pump and then I will transfer the water in that bucket tub water tub. After that I will also fill these buckets, both of these buckets, with water. And for drinking water I'll get this water cooler. I know that water is still there in the bottles and in the kitchen, but I just want to do everything before finishing it. I don't want to create any problem for me because today I have to go to the hospital as well, so I have to finish each and every household chores on time. Without any further ado, let's go to the hand pump. And now I'm heading towards the hand pump, and this is my Gopi. She is sitting and she is waiting for her food, and I, after getting the water, then I will get ready her food and then I will give her the food. And here, as you can see, each and every woman has to come to this hand pump to get fetch some water. And for me it's quite difficult because I have to take the water to the stairs, and climbing on the stairs with these heavy buckets, it's not a piece of cake. It's really a hard nut to crack, I would say. And it For this you must have lots of strength, and nowadays because of I am suffering from some illness, so I don't have that much strength. And oftenly it happens whenever our motor doesn't work, then we have to come to this hand pump to get some to get water. And I prefer to fill water early in the morning in the darkness, because uh, I am wearing this dress, and especially married women, they are not allowed to wear suit salwar and roam here and there. But I still have the confidence as well as the power to stay to live my life the way I want. Though I have to suffer a lot, I have to manage the things as per the environment. However, I'll try to live my life. And now you can see, living in a and life of a village woman is always full of struggles and lots of work. And here I'm still doing it, each and everything. I'm just managing. And here I'm trying to get ready the food, because my gopi is really very hungry now. She is waiting for the food. And I just to get ready her food, I will have to add some grains, flour, and as well as water in this chaff, because when we eat all these ingredients, then it becomes delicious for them to eat. And then in the evening time, my grandmom sorry my mother-in-law, she goes to the fields and she gets the green grass, and then she eats in the evening that grass. And in the morning time, we always give her chaff along with some flour, water, and some grains or leftover foods we add in this. And here I have done, and I'm washing my hands, and now my gopi, she has started eating it. And now I have to clean everywhere, because I know that though it's just an animal, still it's really very important for me to clean the place where she lives. So after sweeping the ground floor, especially the room, then I am sweeping here, especially under where the gopi always sits throughout the night. And during the daytime, she stays under the tree, uh, a place which is called Naraiya. And as you can see, her tail is too short. Now I have completed all the work related to ground floor, and now it's my turn to clean this first floor, sorry, and then my kitchen and the terrace. And then I'll cook food. And after that, I'll also get some time for yoga and meditation. And it's about to 5 a.m. in the morning, and you can see the sun is about to rise within an hour. And I'm not going to waste my time, because today I have lots of work to do, so I'm going to start my work. And here I have just started cleaning my room, because I always want my room to keep neat and clean, because uh, I don't like a messy or untidy room. So every day after waking up, first I prefer to clean my room, to sweep my room, to mop my room. And as you can see, I'm doing it. And meanwhile, my husband is still sleeping on the terrace. And the time when he will wake up, by that time I will be finishing all my house chores, and I'll get ready. Uh, and sometimes I also get ready my food. And friends, you can see the beautiful nature, especially the clouds, and a cool breeze is blowing. The weather is so pleasant. and I'm just enjoying this weather, sitting on the stairs. And friends, again light went off, so I'm not going to wait for the electricity, but I'm just going to do my daily routine, which I follow each and every single day, and which is really very inevitable part of my life, which I have recently started, and I'm trying to get into this habit of doing yoga meditation. So I'm going to start doing my yoga and meditation. Mm. 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 And friends, now I have done. And friends, after doing yoga and exercises, now I was busy writing affirmations, which are really crucial part of my life, and I think each and everyone should do, and they should try to incorporate this habit in their day-to-day life. Let me show you. Today I have read. Uh, Today I have written only these 5 or 6 sentences, and I would like to thank universe. I am earning $1,000 per month. My interest problem has been cured totally. I am loved by all. I live my life the way I want. I heal my body. I am a fluent English speaker and I speak English effortlessly. And now I throughout the day I'll be repeating all these affirmations to manifest my dream, and now it's time for me to plug in my phone in the charger, and I'm going to have shower and start my day. And friends, now I have had shower, I have worshipped, and I'm in the kitchen shooting this video. And friends, let me tell you, I am totally ready. I just need to change this dress. Like currently, I'm wearing this suit salwar, but in order to go to the hospital, it's my need to change the dress, and I have to wear a sari. So I'm going to do that. And my husband, he has denied to cook something. To, that's why I didn't cook anything, and we will be having something on the way. Let's see what will we have. But I'm thinking about making mango shake, and before that I'm going to change my dress, because again electricity went off. I think throughout the day more than 20 times power goes off, and it's really very a big issue for the villagers, especially someone who really wants to do something through social media, who wants to bring some changes through social media. So it's my request to our government, please, please, please mend your ways, and please give us proper power so that we can keep continue with our work. We can keep doing our work. We can be consistent towards our journey. Now I'm going to change my dress, then I'll show you. Okay. And after changing my dress, then I had to iron my husband's shirt because he wanted to wear this shirt. So then it became compulsory for me to iron this shirt, and usually he doesn't iron his clothes. And friends, now we are going to the hospital, and I don't know where is the lock. I got the lock. I'm going to lock the room, and my husband is getting angry. And now we are waiting for the bus, and we will go to the hospital by the bus because it's not good to ride a bike for my husband, especially when you are going for more than 40 kilometers or 50 kilometers. And in order to get to the hospital, we have to travel more than 60 kilometers. And I can see only the greenery on the way. And after reaching the hospital, then we had to go to the department where our doctor uh, checks the patients, and the hospital was full of the patients as well as their visitors. And here I'm waiting for my husband. After my turn, then doctor prescribed us some medicines, and my husband went to get medicines. While returning today for the very first time, I saw a lady conductor on the bus, and I was too happy that ladies are becoming independent. They are not totally dependent on their husband. We have come, and my Shona Lado is here. What are you doing, Shona? You were sleeping. Were you sleeping? Ah, and we bought a new dress for Lado. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes. Look at your dress. How's this dress? Tell me, how's this dress? And we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Bye bye, bolo. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye, bolo. Bye bye.